Oasis. Walking into the Oasis in Austin already feels like an adventure today. You know why? Because it's decided to rain. The entrance is lined up with these funny statues that instantly set up the mood. So cute. When you're walking through the hall, as you can see the rain, these statues, the fairy. Everything was just so perfect that day. Since this wasn't the plan, I always wanted to go there on a sunny day and sunset, but it was perfect. We were walking through to the hallway since our main always wanted to see the sunset. We were there at the time of sunset. And then you step onto the deck. You can see this lake and view. I actually loved it. The lake looked calm, green, and the whole place felt extra cozy. For me, it was a rainy day, but instead of being disappointed, I really appreciate it. You see these love locks are hanging everywhere by the visitors. The Oasis is more than just a sunset spot. It's the energy there, families, friends, laughter, good food. I only imagine how much happiness when the sun sets into the whole sky. But even without it, Oasis gave me a memory I might never forget. Sometimes the best part of traveling isn't waiting for perfect weather. You just have to do exactly how it is. Thanks for watching.